Hello guys. And welcome to another video. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel, and don't miss out. Since its beginning and introduction, Ripple has seen an immense broadening and growth and has been the treasured by investors, institutions, and banks. It has been used and adopted internationally, and it actually became a solution for banks throughout the world. There are a lot of predictions and prognosis, and with that many details that demonstrate that this fourth digital currency is going to blow up. Let us find out why XRP is going to blow up and what is that one leading reason that will make the explosion possible. In today's video you are going to find out about the characteristics and qualities of XRP that make it distinctive and special. You will also find out how the recent happening situation of the legal action is going to help in XRP explosion. And what is last, but not least, the real cause and motive behind XRP's explosion. So, with that being said, let us start the video. Why XRP can blow up. Ripple is a cryptocurrency platform and a currency as well. The Ripple agreement and protocol is planned to permit quick and affordable transactions. Ripple has formed a host of partnerships with some of the largest and richest companies in the world. These very same partnerships are in line with Ripple's efforts of pushing for the mainstream adoption of its native currency, XRP. Since the beginning of the year, Ripple got involved in several partnerships, and thus far, it is already the favorable and preferred platform. When it comes to cross-border transactions, XRP could be alluded as the bridge currency. It does not distinguish and differentiate between traditional fiat currencies or any other cryptocurrencies. This makes it exceptionally easy and undemanding to exchange one currency for another. Ripple is already accessible and available in more than 40 countries and has connected with over 200 financial institutions. Ripple has enabled banks to provide payments in new markets that were previously hard to reach. Financial organizations and institutions have substantial reason and stimulus to tie up with Ripple. It provides them a new origin of income and revenue by giving them access to new markets. Transaction prices are cheaper and have not many liquidity needs and demands. Ripple has not long ago made public a tie-up with ETH Zurich, Ryerson University, and Instituto Tecnológico Autónomo de Mexico. The platform is also working together and in cooperation with the University of Zurich to produce and generate the world's first interdisciplinary research center in the DeFi ecosystem. Shortly after the lawsuit was first filed, back in December of 2020, there was a lot of doubt and skepticism doing the rounds. Some would say that Ripple will lose all its worth and value. XRP will fail completely, maintained others. Ripple is with one foot in the grave, said the others. Nonetheless, contradictory, and opposite to what was expected, XRP has done well for itself on the price charts, regardless of the delisting binge that followed. Prior to the latest rectifying set it, XRP was trading at a price level that was not seen for more than 3 years. Still, a lot of questions popped, and the Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, contrary to assumptions, disclosed that there is mostly positive news on this front. The firm onboarded more than customers since the Securities and Exchange Commission filed the lawsuit. What needs to be noted is that the exec was rapid to designate that all these customers are based overseas, just to circa 90% of Ripple's user base. Demographically, Garlinghouse went to implicit that the majority of Ripple's purchasers were uninfluenced by regulatory concerns in the United States of America. Ripple has also been in the news recently thanks to its connection with the likes of Trango and Asimo recently. While the blockchain firm obtained a 40% right of possession stake in Trango a few weeks ago, the Asimo was going to be tapping up Ripple's on-demand liquidity services. Garlinghouse also went on to highlight that regardless of the said lawsuit, 2020 was RippleNet's biggest year ever, with over 30 million transactions. Actually, the same was enlarged upon Ripple's Q4 report, which was released in February. Nonetheless, the report also found that over 12% of XRP volumes were influenced and affected thanks to the lawsuit. The exec has also expanded on many other spaces the firm has been dabbling in recently. CBDCs is one asset sector that Ripple has requested to be a part of. With the blockchain firm recently piloting a private XRP ledger for central banks, launching CBDCs back in March. As stated by Garlinghouse, more than 80 central banks are looking into the prospective impact of CBDC. The exec declared that while he is hopeful on Bitcoin, the community needs to intellectually hone a look to a lot better system for transaction. In spite of the continuing lawsuit with Securities and Exchange Commission, recent court judgments have maintained a positive viewpoint for the company and XRP also. With its recent win against Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit, Ripple has successfully rallied up and located itself in the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world. XRP is the preferred choice for traders when it comes to exchanging currencies. Also, Ripple only has a restricted stock of 100 billion XRP, among which 45 billion XRP coins are already in circulation. The scarcity will drive high demand for XRP in the future. Ripple's intention to expand the network on the conventional capital markets, the adaptation of smart contracts, and XRP's win over the Securities and Exchange Commission are a few noteworthy causes why Ripple is probable to blow up soon. Caused by the COVID-19, the world has totally moved towards digitalization. Whether we like it or not, we cannot go back to the world we used to live in. The pandemic not only emphasized the need, but dramatically sped up the transition. Very much like with the groundings of flights after 9/11 spurred the Check 21 Act. With just few months of the onset of the COVID-19, digital payment volumes flew up, generating as much as 10 years growth. People have adjusted to the changes caused by the pandemic. Organizations that have been a part of that adjustment and adaptation are seeing chances to set themselves up for upcoming success. The B2B sector has lagged in its adaptation in digital payments. Actual delivery of payment, at this moment, intersects manual and disparate systems, contributing to overall fragmentation. Some organizations have addressed their own needs. An industrial solution that can be invariably adopted is vital for reaching an all-digital future. The Bank of England has also made public that the joint creation of a central bank digital currency or CBDC task force. A CBDC would be a new configuration of digital money issued by the Bank of England. Ripples has been telling everyone that we need to move on to the digital currency in order to be up to date with this world. And now the world is moving towards digitalization, and XRP is definitely the best option. It provides fast transactions and is the bridging currency between other different currencies. It is recognized and adapted by a lot of banks and institutions throughout the world. It is more likely to be adapted for digitalization, and that is the reason why XRP will blow up sooner than you expect. The Ripple price has been struggling the last several days after Ripple Labs unlocked $1.6 billion worth of coins from its escrow account. XRP is trading at $1.4930, which is actually 25% below its April high of $1.9830. It is circa 60% above its lowest level on April 23. It has a total market cap of more than $67 billion, and it is the fourth biggest digital currency in the whole world. 3 days ago, Whale Alert tweeted that Ripple Labs has withdrawn $1.6 billion from its escrow account. We assume that is the main reason why XRP has struggled significantly in the last several days. Different from other digital currencies, Ripple Lab manages the supply of XRP. It actually holds around 55% of all XRP that it is in circulation. 3 years ago, in circa 2017, Ripple Labs releases XRP. It holds an escrow every 55 months to prevent an excessive supply. XRP broke the neckline of an inverse head and shoulders pattern on April 29. That is what sent Ripple up over 13% for the day. The lowest point projects a remarkable advance moving forward. As stated by the coin market cap at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.47 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of almost $9 billion USD. XRP is down in 8.07% in the last 24 hours. The ongoing market cap ranking is number 4, with a live market cap of $66 billion USD. It is a flowing and circulating supply of 45 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. We really do hope that this video could be a big help to you. Let us know in the comment section down below, will digitalization help XRP blow up? Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.